What's up, people? As y'all saw in the first video, if you saw it, I love my Beetles. Got my TP4 and my TP4 and TP4B as my main bags. Appliance bag / a little electrical and HVAC bag right here. Holds everything I need, both of them, perfectly fine. Went to Home Depot the other day and I saw a little pouch and I thought it would be very, very nice for people who are starting to do maintenance or just want to have really, really the bare minimum, and it looked pretty nice then. So I went ahead and I grabbed one, and it's Husky Utility Plus pouch, they call it. It has a limited, 5-year limited warranty is the model number, I guess, 1000230000. Okay. A lot of zeros there. But it looks very, very solid for 13 bucks. $12.98 I think it was, but 13 bucks. It's not bad. And so I was playing around with it to see what I could put in here, because it looks like it could hold the bare minimum. As you can see, it has four side pockets, mainly for screwdrivers. It has 2 main compartments right here, and it has another little one. They call it the pocket. A notepad pocket, but I guess you could use it for that. I use it for just tools, and just to show you what I could do with it, what you would be able to do with it. Let's say, let's take my TP4, which is my appliance, my bag. We can get my Knipex up here, right there. We can get some side cutters or dikes or whatever they're called, right there. Alright, on the sides, my multi nut driver, it's right there, just perfectly right there. My 15-in-1 climb right there. My insulated right there. My half driver, nut driver, just put it right there. Okay, get my Cobras from this pocket right here. Get my wire strippers. Get my wrench pliers from Knipex. Just put them right there. Okay. Get my Torx. And flathead and Phillips precision screwdrivers. What else did I get? Get my little outlet tester, or just voltmeter. Let's see in here. Put Allen wrench. It's you'll have to pick it up there, but you can put it if you want. I wouldn't. And plus, it's not something I use every day, all the time. I guess I could put my needle nose pliers right there. Non-contact volt tester right there. And heck, let's see. Or I could put this right here. Dual gyro screwdriver. Just keep the bit there, I guess. And can I fit this here? No, I can't fit it here. Can't fit it here, and then safe there. But I guess right there, it's pretty much what you need. I would say insulated 15-1. It's pretty much what you need right there for just your regular maintenance. It's like the bare minimum for that, for appliance work and, you know, outlets and stuff like that. So pretty good for 12 bucks. $12.98, $13, whatever. If you like a pouch that holds a good amount of tools and you don't want to spend $70, $80 on a Vito or something close to it, then it also has this Velcro flap. You could put it on your belt, or as you can see, it's pretty, you know, not that hard, but pretty solid. So you could put it on your back pocket, on your front pocket, without having to use the Velcro. So that's pretty good. Let's put everything back over here. Right. Okay. Alright, now let's see what I could do as an HVAC bag. So let's start right here, of course. Long 2-in-1 nut driver, 8-in-1 HVAC multi-bit, Phillips number 2, and crimper slash cutter slash wire stripper. I love this. The only thing is if it had one more little hole, the stranded gauge number 20, it would be perfect. That way it would be able to do thermostat wires. Okay, what else can we do here? I don't need that. I wouldn't need that, of course. I will need this. Need all those. This is my second set of wire strippers. Got them just for that. For the they also do crimping. Not that good as this one, but it works sometimes. But mainly use it for thermostat. Of course, you need this. So let's see. Put it right there. Multimeter. Get your leads. And last video I had the Milwaukee impact driver M12, but that's an overpower. You know, that's something that for the type of screws and nuts that you deal with in the AC units, this is more than enough. And this is a rigid M12, not M12, I mean, you know, 12. The line of 12 volts, and it's a push. When you push it, it activates. You change the orientation right here, and this, and then you can lock it. So it's pretty good. It's way more powerful than the gyro screwdriver. Also, because it is an impact. It has an impact function like the impact drivers, but it doesn't have that force. It's just an impact screwdriver. Alright, and that fits right there. I think that's it, man. Right there, it's pretty good. You have everything you really need. Bare bones, you know, the minimum. Of course, you're missing the other stuff you could put in the little pouches right there. You know, the extra stuff you could put on that front pocket right here. Well, if I know a lot of people don't have this, so let's try. Most like if this fit, I'm pretty sure the M12 will fit. Yep, fits right there perfectly. Of course, the pouch is brand new, so still kind of solid. So it stands up though, you know. It's pretty good. For $13, if you don't want to spend 70, you know, 80 bucks on pouches like this, and you just want really the bare minimum tools that you need, I would strongly recommend this for $13. I would strongly recommend it. Well, if you got any comments, just let me know. And y'all have a great day.